of hours and today we're trying the local coffee. Our usual spot, Caribou Coffee. Can you hear me, guys? Welcome back. On Tuesday 11th, not Thursday. We're finishing lunch. We are in Erie, in the north of Minnesota, and this is my last day in Minnesota. This afternoon, we're gonna go to a bear center and then a wolf center, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, I hope I'm gonna be able to get some great footage for you guys. You probably saw a few seconds ago footage of the outside, and it's raining. It's the first day it's raining, and it's a bit fun because if you've been following me, they're loud. You probably noticed that each time I'm leaving for like France or somewhere else, last day it's always raining. But yeah, so it's been raining today and a lot colder, but I guess it's because we're in the north. Is it a local beer? Yeah, we're having a local beer. We're sharing it, obviously. I'm not able to drink all that. I shall see you in a couple of minutes for us and seconds for you at the bear center. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoa, it's really soft. Nice. And moose. Oh, so thick. There's a lot of them in Maine. I wouldn't think over there. They are. And a lot of them over here. Interesting. Oh, Mexico too, wow. The record, guys. Massive. Wow.
Attention Bear Center visitors, this is the 5-minute call for the next behind-the-scenes bear tour. So if you'd like to go outside to go see a bear, please make your way over to the big view.
Wow. Hey. Wow.
They are here for life. We can't just release them back into the wild because we aren't a wildlife rehab facility. So this is their forever home. And Lucky here, standing up, is about 6.5 to 7 feet tall, which is pretty tall for a bear, as the average is about 4 to 7 feet. Fatality in a squirrel or chipmunk if a really brave or maybe stupid chipmunk tries to steal one of our bear's nuts and run off with it. That's when one of our bears might try and make a chipmunk pancake here and there, just because they don't appreciate anyone taking their food away from them.
Alright everyone, we're on our way to the Wolf Center now. International Wolf Center, I think it's called. As you saw, we got so close to the bears. It was amazing. You probably heard the woman talking. She gave us so many good, interesting informations, facts and all that. It was really cool. We arrived at the perfect time to be like at the 2 p.m. thing that I think was not planned. So, I mean, yeah, really cool. It was so cool. I mean, the bear was like, yeah, probably just 6 feet away. I think it was Tasha. That was awesome. Same. And I put all the links below if you want to check it out. It's in northern Minnesota, in a really cool place. They have a huge exhibit full of like pictures and facts and all that. You can learn so much and see from very up close like different types of bears. The polar bear is it's huge. When you enter, you can see it. It's massive. Yeah. Anyway, let's go to the Wolf Center. We are there. Let's go. This is a picture of a wolf made with tiny. Oh, this is so cute. How far a wolf can travel one day. That one over there. A month. All that. A year. All that. It's freaking amazing. It's amazing. listen. Hi. Hey. Maybe sit first, I guess. Little kid. That was awesome! Are you just in Minnesota? Hey people! This is Daniel, by the way, my host in Minnesota. That was the last activity in Minnesota. I think that was really the cherry on top. It was amazing, guys. So we were able to be like, you saw, like right next to them, and then they opened the window, and that's where you saw them at the last footage. And the howl, you know, it was amazing to be able to see them without the fence and just be right next to them. Yeah, it was really awesome. I think I cannot put every footage I took because it's not allowed, but anyway, that was really awesome. So Sam, I'm gonna put all the links and everything in the description box for you to just check them out, and if you want to comment all that, it was really awesome. But yeah, that's all for the Minnesota adventure. So we have a 4 or 5 hour drive back to Minneapolis. So I don't think I'm gonna film. We're just gonna talk, probably get some snack and all that. And tomorrow I have a plane. I fly at 6:15 to go to Boston. So that'll probably be just the next series of videos. But yeah, that's a wrap for my Minnesota videos. It was amazing. I had a blast. You should come and visit Minnesota, guys. It's just so many things to see. Even in Wisconsin, we spent a lot of time in Wisconsin too, and just so much nature. It's amazing. It was crazy. Like the way back, like the way here, it was just like hours of woods and beautiful lakes and forests and just hills, just so gorgeous. It was awesome. Anyway, it's starting to get extremely hot here, so I think we're gonna head back to the car. But yeah, you wanna say bye to the FrenchTastic fam? Bye-bye. Thank you for following the Minnesota video. Thank you so much, Danny, for being a host for 10 days. You, how do you say that? Tolerated me for 10 days. But yeah, I will see you, I guess, next time in Boston, probably. I don't know. We'll see. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video, and support the wolves. Wow, so cool. Hello. Oh my god, so cool. Wow. He's tiny, isn't he? Oh. Man, that's so cool. I think that's my first one in the wild. Yeah, too many people stopped to look at him. Alright people, we are on a 5 hour drive back to Minneapolis from the North Shore. So those are my choice of snack. We had Dilly Bites, Whole Nature almonds, jerky, the original, and that kind dark chocolate. Looks delicious, and do not forget to hydrate. line order as usual. I just so love this series. I just turned on the TV to help me stay awake because I had a 3-hour night. We came back from the North Shore really late last night. I mean, not that late, but kind of late last night. And then I had to wake up at 3 a.m. to go to the airport and take a flight, get on a plane. The ride back was nice. We listened to some music and it was a scenic drive, so that was great. Ended up going to bed around midnight. So yeah, it has been a long day. I think it's 3 or 4 p.m. So I changed time zone an hour later. So yeah, I'm gonna be in Boston for a couple of days. Gonna go to a Yankees game. Gonna do some more tourism, see how the city is during that time of the year. So I was downstairs doing the laundry, trying to do the laundry, and I just noticed that I don't even know how to read like the coins. So I had to ask a girl like what is this? And it's written on it, but there are different words like for each one of them, and that kind of got me lost there. So I was like, well, looking like an idiot, but at least I got an answer. My flight was delayed, so I flew to Newark, and then my flight to Boston was delayed for a couple of hours, and then it was less delayed, so I ended up arriving at almost the same time, which is wonderful. It has been 3 weeks, exactly 3 weeks since I've been in the States. So I cannot believe it. I mean, time really flew by so fast. I spent 10 days in Tennessee, Georgia, Kentucky, and then 10 other days in Minnesota and a bit of Wisconsin. I still have 3 more weeks, I think, and same is going to be in a couple of states, which I'm super excited about. Drop some coin. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get some work done. It's Wednesday. I did not upload a video last Saturday because I was too busy. So I'm gonna try to do that this week at least. And that's it. That's all. I'm exhausted, but it's so worth it. It's great. I'll catch you guys later for probably some food or something like that. On the parking of my hotel. And I saw another one earlier, but I don't think it's here anymore. Thank you so much everyone for following this series. Thank you so much for watching the videos. The Minnesota series playlist is available on my channel, and the videos are in order, so you can watch them in order from day 1 to day 10. I just wanted to share with you a bit of my thoughts. First of all, we were so blessed with the weather for the entire trip. The temperatures too. We saw many deer and mustangs that I couldn't film most of the time, but I just wanted to put this out there. A lot of wildlife. I also remember we saw bald eagles when we were kayaking, and I forgot to mention it. I was thinking of choosing, favorites and making a list, but honestly, the entire trip was fantastic. So, I mean, I don't really have favorites because, again, it was just amazing. I guess the highlights would be my first times, like the Alpine, however you say that, coaster, the zip lining. Kayaking was not my first time, but on a like that huge, it was amazing. And I'm sure I'm forgetting a lot of things because we did so much in those 10 days. Overall, we can all agree that it was an amazing itinerary, I think you say. And thanks to Danny. I don't know how Danny planned that. I know he used Wanderlog. I'll put a link down below. It's a wonderful website to plan your trips. But that was just like a tool to help. Obviously, he did the whole itinerary by himself, and I am so grateful for this trip and for the time and efforts he put in it. Danny has been following me for a couple of years. He became my patron. I don't remember when, but he reached out to me a couple of months ago telling me, Mary, Minnesota is a state that will really fits you. It's a lot of nature. It's a lot of things that I think you will really enjoy exploring. And after a few months, I was like, yeah, well,
coming for a wedding in Tennessee, so guess I'm gonna come in Minnesota after that one. And there we were. It was amazing, and Danny was not wrong. I really love Minnesota. It's just so much nature, so much wilderness. It's fantastic, honestly. I remember on Tuesday we drove a couple of hours from I think it was 4 or 5 hours, and it was only for hours. We only saw maybe 2-3 cars, and so much forest and lakes, and it was beautiful. I loved it. I love that. It's a beautiful state. I'm gonna try to put a map of where we went. Our hostel was based in Duluth, at least for the North Shore. So as you saw, I arrived in Boston on that Wednesday, and I'll stay there a couple of days. So for the next couple of videos, it will be Boston, and then I flew to Kansas City, so you're gonna have videos about that. And then I went to Connecticut, and then I went to Cape Cod. So my US trip is not over yet. There are still a lot of videos coming, but they will be in another playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, all the playlists are available on my channel, and I really hope you enjoyed that series and that it made you want to visit Minnesota. I read a lot of your comments saying I should definitely go back during winter because it's a whole another life. So I put that down on my list, and as I now have a precious friend in Minnesota, I know I will be going back there at some point, which made me think that I'm really grateful for all of you guys for your support here on the channel, on Patreon too, but just mainly for being here, commenting and just being part of this family. Like I like to call this channel. I think it's a family, and I'm just so grateful that I end up making friends in real life, precious people that are now part of my life. Danny is part of it, and I think it's amazing. And I'm just so grateful that this channel was able to and is still able to reach so many people out there. Yeah, that's all. Just wanted to share those grateful thoughts with you, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video in Boston. Bye bye.